Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt. We just got the brand new Sony A8G OLED in here at the store. We're gonna open up this box, show you what it comes with, and give you a first look at the picture. So here's everything that comes in the box. You've got the pedestal itself, some pedestal brackets, screws, cable management, IR blasters, some cushions, and the remote. All right, so we've got the TV up and installed. It's on the pedestal. This is a pedestal that you can actually configure in 2 different ways, so make sure you check out our video on that one. We got through the setup process. It's the same as what you've seen on most of the past Sony TVs that have come out over the last couple of years. And unfortunately, once we got to the end of that process, we were greeted with Android N. Not my favorite operating system. Hopefully Sony gets this thing updated to Android O shortly. The remote was the other kind of bummer. It comes with their older style remote, not the new one that we saw on the A9G and the 950G. But it still has a great quality picture. You're still getting really vibrant colors. You're still getting really great black levels. So everything that should be happening in an OLED is happening with that picture. So that we were happy to see. That's really kind of a first look. Stay tuned because we're going to do a full overview video for you. Make sure you leave us some suggestions in the comments about what you guys want to see. We'll try and accommodate all those. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.